please. Can somebody help me? Help me, please! Somebody help me!
Hey. If you ever want to talk about anything, I'm here. You okay? That night at the Vale.
Ace was largely the same.
I saw myself through your eyes. As long as there's dirty dishes, I'll be there. I wash dishes for a living. Sleeping on Nick's couch, got that going for me. And what I saw was lacking in no direction or purpose, just fear. Nancy! Disguises anything but.
You wait. None of this is real. No.
Is that a deal breaker? Why did you hesitate?
You're not gonna tell her, are you?
You said you're doing this for us. What does that mean?
I just, I think my subconscious was trying to tell me there are instincts that I haven't followed.
I got you. I know you did what you did to save my life.
Hey, I'm so sorry.
But it's not like you to work with the Hudsons.
I don't know what you want from me.
I'm just happy to see you. I need you to know that I'm here, Nancy.
You know that hot, stuffy feeling you have right now? That might be because the window for you, Nancy, is closing and you're finally realizing it.
Guess the point is just to go elsewhere, right? If that's what you want. Sorry, you don't want to have this conversation right now.
No, it's exactly the conversation I want to have right now.
Seeing you at the park made me realize I've been an idiot for not saying something sooner.
Nancy, wait.
You ready to leave us so soon?
Like I'm ready to hit the refresh button on life, clear my browser history.
As long as we're not a permanent part of that history.
We are friends. And those feelings that you have for me, I do not share them, and I never will.
I don't believe you.
Maybe something's on your mind.
I'm fine. It's nothing to worry about.
Nancy, I highly doubt that.
There's something else going on. Are you in trouble?
Because I'm telling you something you don't want to hear.
I'm just telling you that I know you, and you seem attached. Figured if I was gonna get obliterated from existence, might as well happen while I was looking at a friend.
Nancy? I was gonna tell you something. About what you told me last night.
Let's not talk about that right now.
Yeah, I think you should look at this.
You're just doing what you thought was best.
I couldn't lose you. I shouldn't come here.
You're not alone in this. I can help you carry it.
I don't need your help.
Get in. Let's take a walk. You saved everyone, Nancy. The town that you pledged to protect, you protected. You're amazing.
What if I told you that in order to save the town, I gave up control of my fate? And I lied to the man that I loved to save his life. And now I have to spend the rest of mine paying this terrible price.
For what it's worth, I don't regret what I told you. Whatever comes of it,